Welcome drone video fans, my name is Bill. Welcome back to my channel. Haven't had a video up for a while due to the bad weather, but we got in a little bit of video time last Friday, so we decided we would explore some of the operations of the Evo's Zoom camera here at the North Madison Park, and we took off from home base on this ball diamond, and we're going to go and fly towards one of these floodlight that they have set up for playing at night. We do have ball games here at night. In the distance you see Lake Erie. It's fairly calm because there's a south wind, and the wind was 15 to 20. Here we're at 2x zoom. We were at 1x zoom, and we're at 2x zoom. Now we're at 3x zoom. You can see that the crispness of the picture and the detail still holds up pretty good at 3x, back to 2x, back to 1x, and the crispness of the picture holds up fairly well. I don't try to push it too much. I think the most I've gone is to 4x, but beyond 4x and even at 4x you start to lose some detail and a little bit of blurriness, but certainly 2 and 3x are okay. Here's another one of those lights, and we're using the left yaw and right roll trick to sort of move ourselves around into a position here to face this this light station head on. I was going to do some more experiments with the zoom there, but found a much better target in the distance. In the distance you'll see what I refer to as the mystery mansion. This huge complex mansion, house, whatever it is, has been under construction for about 10 years, and I always see builders there working on it, but I never see anybody inside living inside it. From the size of it, it looks like it could possibly hold 30 to 50 rooms, but we'll see that. We're in 1x right now, flying up to this across the ball diamond and the park and the boat launch ramp area, and now we just went to 2x. We're at 2x zoom here, and we're still quite a distance away, but it makes a huge difference in the what you see on the screen and what you're capturing. So again, using the left yaw and right roll, you sort of can initialize a manual fly around point, and I use this trick all the time to get myself into position to get some video of an object that I'm trying to shoot. And here you see this mansion, which nobody lives in as far as I know. There's vehicles there, people working on it. Now we're back to 1x. This is 1x here, and I'm going to try different zooms. This is 2x, that's 3x, and we're even go to 4x here. And at 4x you can just about see into the house through the windows. I'm probably almost 200 yards away from the house. You can see from when I back it out to 1x how far away we are. And we did quite a few other samples of using the zoom, but we're just going to keep this one short, and we'll show those in part 2. We're going to fly over the mansion. You see some seagulls in the distance, and we gave them a wide berth. They always hang out around the shoreline here of Lake Erie, and there was some people feeding them. That's why they're massed there. Anyways, thanks for stopping by and watching this short demonstration of the Autel Evo's zoom lens. Leave a comment if you feel so inclined, and again, thanks for watching.